myself, cause I got the fresh cut and I'm feeling myself. And you don't wanna hear me rap, it's feeling myself. And I spit on the beat, cause
shut up!
Yeah, Keem. I'm both up, Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. High as fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm both up, Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. High as fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel?
say now. Yo, what's good, my guys? We back. Today is not a tutorial day. I just, you feel me, got a new fresh cut for your boy. Your boy looking real, if I must say so myself. Feeling myself, cause I'm feeling myself, cause I got the fresh cut and I'm feeling myself. And you don't wanna hear me rap, it's feeling myself. And I spit on the beat, cause
shut up!
Stop, just hold on, just chill out. But nah, I just got a new cut and I'm feeling myself, you feel me? But on another note, I am doing a giveaway, guys. A giveaway. Woo! That I will be giving away $50. Whoa.
Relax.
$50, you feel me? Whoa. Stop that. I'm gonna be giving away $50 to one lucky subscriber. In order to join the giveaway, all you have to do is three things. Three simple things. One, subscribe to my channel. Stay down. Two, what's the next thing? Oh, leave a comment with your email and your, why did I do this? Why did I do this? I shouldn't have done that. But anyways, subscribe to my channel, comment with your email and your Cash App. Your email and your Cash App. And once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to do the giveaway. I'm going to give away $50 to one lucky person. So comment in the comment section, comment below your email and your Cash App. And you must also be subscribed to my channel. You must be a subscriber. So we on the road to 100 subscribers. We almost there. I think I'm at like 70 right about now. So we almost there, man. Come on, guys. Tell your friends. Share this video to your friends. You feel me? We trying to grow. But now I'm gonna show y'all my cut. You feel me? Let me adjust this here. Boom. Boom!
I'm both up, Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. High as fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm both up, Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. High as fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel my pain? This shit feels insane, days pain, I need a break. Rolling in my mind, I wish you could relate. Feeling like it's only me, don't wanna make a ride. I wanna cry, wanna fuck me up inside. Voices in my head, talk to me. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. It's getting so bad, don't wanna think. It ain't cool, man fuck you, leave me alone, I feel so alone. Before the sun wakes.
So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just came to tell y'all about the giveaway and to show y'all my cut. Yes, I did this all by myself. Everything, the braids, the shape up, the taper, beard, everything. I did it all by myself, you feel me? I'm gonna do a tutorial in the future and show you how to do it. It's just I didn't have much time to really film this tutorial. That's why I just did it real quick, you feel me? But stick with me, you feel me? Subscribe to my channel, and along the way, I'm gonna show y'all how to get y'all hair to look, you feel me, look right, you feel me? I know it's quarantine, it's a pandemic. People not trying to go to the barber right now, or barbers are taxing right now, so I'm gonna show y'all how to get y'all right, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all how to get right. But yeah, man, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to enter the giveaway below. In the comment section, leave your email and your Cash App. And also make sure to subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out here, man. Let's do this, man!
I'm bored up, Molly burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I just fought flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna